Hi guys, this is a slightly different video. It's not going to be very long, but I just wanted to update you on a project that I've been working on for well over a year, probably about 18 months. And I did a small video about 2 months ago to say that I'd nearly finished this huge project, and I finally finished it. So for the last 18 months or so, I've been shooting video lessons, and I've been a professional photographer for about 28 years. And at the start of my career, I shot weddings and portraits. Then I moved on to commercial work and public relations photography. And for about 10 or 12 years, I've also been running lots of photography courses. So location workshops all over the UK and a couple overseas. And I've been also teaching in the classroom. And I looked at the classroom lessons and thought, you know, they were very popular, but it was only people that lived in fairly local to me that could, you know, benefit from those lessons. So many years ago, I put together a whole series of written lessons as a PDF notes, and that was my distance learning course, and it worked really well. You'd have all the notes, photo projects to show, I'd critique the images, and people seemed to enjoy doing these courses. So as I say, about 18 months ago, I felt that I really wanted to update the course and turn it into video lessons. And for the last 18 months, as I say, I've shot over 25 hours of video lessons. I've updated all the PDF notes, so they're there as well. And I've got a series of courses and standalone lessons. And I've just had a new website built. So, as I say, I don't generally try to advertise, you know, my courses on this channel, because it's all about me going out, taking pictures, wildlife, landscapes, you know, giving you some tips and stuff. But I'm really proud of these lessons, so I felt I wanted just to make a short video to advertise them, really. So my new website has just been built. It's just gone online, and I'll put a link down below for that website. But it's called Steve Hedges Photography Online Courses, and so there's two sections. There's a section of standalone lessons, so they're single lessons about a specific subject, so wildlife photography or macro photography or studio still life or landscape, and you get the video lesson plus the PDF notes. And it's great if you want to do some independent learning and you just want to learn about that specific subject. Then I've got a whole series of courses. There's a beginner course, an intermediate course, an advanced course, a full distance learning course that's got every lesson, the full 25 hours of video lessons, plus all the notes, which work out about 100,000 words, loads of pictures and illustrations. And then there's some specific courses. So there's one on nature photography, which covers wildlife and macro. There's one on landscape photography. There's one on studio photography. There's a digital imaging or digital editing course, so Photoshop, the full program, and Lightroom. So I think there's something for everyone, and the lessons and the courses are streamable and downloadable. So I'm really proud of these courses. It's taken an enormous amount of effort, thousands of hours to shoot the lessons and write the notes. So yes, if you're interested in learning more about photography, whether that's going from a beginner and right the way through to a more advanced level, or whether you're already quite experienced at taking pictures but you want to look at a specific subject such as landscape or maybe nature, I think I've probably got a course for everybody. There's lessons on head and shoulders portraiture, there's lessons on architectural photography, night photography, so there's a whole range of stuff. So yes, if you're interested, please take a look at my website. It's all listed down there. As I say, the lessons are streamable and downloadable, and I'm really proud of this website. I didn't build the website myself, I had someone build that, but all the lessons I've shot, all the notes I've written, and my wife made sure the punctuation and the spelling was okay. So yeah, I'm really proud of these lessons, and if you're interested, please take a look.